to have a little fun here. It is time to play a new game on Daytime. It is called, as you just saw, Case or No Case.
And joining us now is attorney Billy Franchi. He is going to present us with 3 cases, and we have to guess which one is real. Billy, great to have you here on Daytime.
Great to be here.
And the answer is in that case. But before we get to the answer, you're going to present us with these 3 particular cases, and only one of them is the right one, right?
Correct.
A real case.
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay.
And they're all real facts, so, but only one of them is actually a viable case.
Okay.
Okay,
All
good.
right.
I've watched enough of the shows, like lawyer shows,
Okay.
so I think I'm going to do okay,
Well,
but we'll see.
Let's see how
All
you
right.
do.
I better
All
not
right,
hype it
Billy.
up too soon.
You guys ready?
Yes,
yeah.
we're ready.
All right, so a man hid in the theme park. After the park was closed, he was drunk, and then he snuck into the penguin enclosure
Yeah.
and fell asleep because he was drunk. Park people came in the next day, found him floating in the pool with a bunch of penguins all around him.
Was he dead?
He was dead.
Ooh.
His family then sued the park, saying that they had a duty to warn him of the dangers of going into the frigid waters where the penguins are. And oh, by the way, they sold stuffed animals that were for the penguins, and the penguins basically in tuxedos. So these are the tuxedo killers.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right.
So that's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, lady goes, another theme park. We have a little theme here today.
Yeah.
All theme parks.
The theme is theme parks.
Yes.
Yes. So we have a haunted house. Lady goes into the haunted house. She's so scared by this haunted house that she comes out and says, I have psychological damages, and sues the park.
Ooh.
Okay.
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 All right.
Now-
Cindy, was that you?
It could have been me. That would happen. Yeah.
Now, number 3,
Yeah.
guy goes to another theme park, goes into a house enclosure, okay? This enclosure has 4 posts, 4 metal posts all the way around, holding the whole thing up. It has cross beams, keeping everything up as well, okay?
Okay.
3 out of these 4 posts have padding on the cross beams. One of them is near the exit, and it doesn't have padding on it, and the cross beam is a little offset.
Okay.
So there's a sharp metal piece sticking out.
Huh.
Guy goes to exit. As he exits, he trips, he falls, hits the metal beam, cuts his arm. He needs stitches.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Those are the 3 cases.
Okay.
So is he suing now because he needed stitches?
Correct.
Okay.
Well, he had hospital bills because he
Okay.
had to go to the hospital
so he's
to...
suing-
So it's a little more.
It's a little more than just stitches.
little
Just stitches.
scratch.
Right,
Okay.
right. So
Okay.
he's suing for medical expenses and...
Correct.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we
All
have
right.
to decide now which is the real case.
Okay, well, I'm going to say... Well, let's hold them up at the same time.
Okay,
You
ready? 1,
Okay.
2, 3, go.
Hey!
But are we right?
I don't know.
That's the question.
Hey!
Yes, we have watched enough lawyer shows.
Yeah, no kidding.
That is amazing that you guys got both of you got that right.
So why is that one the real case?
So the first one, the issue is that the guy was drunk.
Right.
And he was in there after hours, so he was a tresspasser.
He was a trespasser, right.
The park has less duties to a trespasser.
Right.
Number 2, even though it's real, that somebody really presented a claim for that or a case for that.
Sure.
There's no claim there. You pretty much have to have physical injuries to be able to claim the psychological
So
injuries.
she was traumatized, but
She was
But
traumatized.
anybody could say they're traumatized
Yeah.
when they come out of a haunted house.
Exactly. It was the intended purpose. She went in knowing what she was going into.
Right.
It wasn't a surprise that the haunted house was scary.
and the
Sure.
last guy.
And the last guy, there was no padding. They should have known that the padding should have been there. It was gone for a significant amount of time, so they had a duty and an obligation to ensure that that padding was in place.
All
Well, this
right.
was fun, Billy Franchi.
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You gonna bring a bunch of new cases next time?
Absolutely.
All right, we'll put our lawyer hats on
There you
again.
go. And to contact our case or no case attorney, Billy Franchi, just go to tampalawfather.com.
Billy Franchi, thank you again. That was really fun.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Appreciate it, guys.
We'll be right back with more Daytime after this.